Hello, in this video, we will look at programming errors. Programming errors are unavoidable, even for experienced programmers. Errors can be categorized into three types: syntax errors, runtime errors, and logical errors. Syntax errors are detected by the compiler. For example, in this code, string is enclosed in a double quotation marks, but this is not. So this is one opening, but there's no one to close it. So that's a syntax error. The compiler will tell you what the problem is. Runtime error causes a program to terminate abnormally. They occur while an application is running if the environment detects an operation that is impossible to carry out. So let's look at this. Here is, we have this I is 4 and J 0. In the next chapter, we're going to introduce the variable and how to declare a variable, how to assign value. So for now, let's just look at this. I is 4 and J 0. So I divided by J and causes a runtime error because J is 0 and divisor cannot be 0 for integer division. So that's a runtime error. The program just aborts and when you run the program. A logical error occurs when a program does not perform the way it was intended. So there are many reasons for logical errors. So for example, here, when you write this program to convert the Celsius degree to Fahrenheit. So using this formula, 9 divided by 5 times 35 plus 32. Now the problem is here in C++, for the integer division, 9 divided by 5 is 1, and the fractional part is truncated. So that is the problem. And if you come here, and you're going to see the result is 67, because this is becoming 1. So to force this result of 9 divided by 5 to be a real value, you can use 9.0 divided by 5, and now run the program. So this will be the correct result, is 95. 35 in Celsius is 95 in Fahrenheit. Common errors when you write a program. First, missing braces. So if you have one opening, you have to have one to close it. So they always appear in a matching pair. So this is one common error. And the second common error is missing semicolon. Every statement ends with a semicolon. So this has semicolon, semicolon, but this also, you need a semicolon. This is missing. Missing quotation marks. So this is the double quotation marks for strings, and you have one open, you have to close it. Misspelling names. So this is main has to be spelled as lowercase main for C++ to recognize this as main function as the entry point for executing the program. That is all for this video on programming errors. See you on the next video.